One bleed that's sometimes difficult to control and messy is a nosebleed. Woundclot is an excellent solution for fast nosebleed control. So why select Woundclot for nosebleeds? Instant haemostasis. Woundclot's advanced technology swiftly stops the bleeding. Easy application. With Woundclot's straightforward instructions, anyone can effectively manage nosebleeds. It's safe and gentle. Woundclot is crafted from natural cellulose fibres, ensuring a delicate touch for sensitive nasal tissue. No rebleed. Unlike other solutions, Woundclot prevents further bleeding, providing long-lasting relief. And finally, less mess and stress. By not having to use bulky dressings or uncomfortable nasal plugs, Woundclot is discreet and mess-free. So how do you utilise Woundclot for nosebleeds? Tilt your head forwards to prevent blood from flowing down your throat. Pinch your nose just below the bony bridge for 10 minutes. If the bleeding persists, apply Woundclot directly to the bleeding area in your nostril. Gently press to ensure the Woundclot adheres to the wound. And finally, breathe easy. Woundclot will do its magic. It is important to remember that if bleeding continues or worsens, seek immediate medical attention. Keep Woundclot in your first aid kit, car or bag, so you're always prepared to handle nosebleeds or any other bleed.